Thanks so much for joining me here on Sweet Savant. Please subscribe if you have not already. Let's get into this project, this recycled DIY poof ottoman. I don't know what you call it, but I made it out of recycled materials. Thank you so much to Sikha from Sikha M and Jessica from Measure and Mix for hosting this recycled DIY challenge. This poof ottoman, what do you call it? Let me know in the comments. Do you call it a poof or an ottoman? This I made out of recycled cardboard. Let me show you what I did. There's about a little less than 2 yards of fabric with this project. No sew. I'll show you. Let's get into the details. Well, just how strong is this poof, you might ask? Let me show you. It's that strong. I made this originally years ago. I really have forgotten what I did to make it, but it is no sew, I know that. And it's really just a lot of duct tape. So let's deconstruct it and see what we've got. That's right, cat litter box. And this was a foam mattress pad that I didn't need anymore, so we used that instead of purchasing some foam from the craft store, because that can get pretty expensive, and this was free. I taped up the box pretty well. I just cut that tape off, and now let's see what's inside the box. Surprise! It's more cardboard. I'm going to use a little of this packing tape just to keep it all together. I mean, you can use duct tape too, but I just grabbed this packing tape. And make sure all the cardboard boxes in there are packed way to the top. Give it stability. And this mattress pad, I just cut it one side to go around the top like that. See there, this is one piece that went around the top, and then a square for each side, and then another one to go around the whole thing the other way. So then just secure it all to the box with a little more packing tape. Make sure you have enough fabric to go all the way around the ottoman, because as you're using it and resting your feet on it, it can pull. See, look at that, all the way around. You want to make sure that it can wrap completely around the ottoman. You want to take that first piece of fabric down to the bottom of your box and pull it tight. It would be helpful to have a hand when you do this, but I'm going to do it on my own. Do the same thing on the other side, pulling it as tight as you can. And that's really just to hold it in place for now. So we don't need quite this much fabric in there when we fold it over, because it'll just make it too bulky. So I'm just going to cut away a little extra. If I had an extra hand, that would be helpful to kind of hold this piece in place to keep the corner tighter, but I don't, so tape is my friend, and I'm just going to use a little tape just to hold it up in place while I ease the rest of these corners up. Duct tape that securely down. Do the same thing on the other side. on the sides. Straighten it out as you go. And then we're going to tape it down. Make sure you got everything like you want it before you put that final piece in place. And then get that duct tape and tape it down. Trim off any excess so that doesn't show on the sides. Remember, you really just want to stick the fabric to the fabric. It doesn't have to stick all the way down the side. And that is that. Our ottoman. What do you think? It's ready. Our poof is poofed. And that is it, folks. Our DIY poof ottoman. I don't know, what would you call it? A poof or an ottoman? It is done. No sew, recycled materials, just cardboard, a little foam that was leftover mattress pad, just about a little less than 2 yards of fabric, duct tape, a little packing tape, and that was it. Done. Hope you enjoyed this DIY. I sure had a good time doing it. Thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe if you have not already. I would really appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up and come back for more.